saw so far today was this table way. We make a table, we set up each of our whatever size we have, binomial times binomial is a 2 by 2. We multiply, fill in, we multiply, fill in, multiply, fill in, multiply, fill in. And then it's all addition and addition and addition. But even though we're going to do addition, we can only combine if they're like terms. But yesterday, we weren't doing it the table way, we were doing it the distributing way, which says that 2x has to come to both this one and to that one. And we just did over then under to make it nice and organized. So the first distribution would have been 2x squared. The outer would have been 10x. The inner, he has to distribute under and then over. Do you guys see how it's the exact same thing? Just you get to picture it two different ways. It's the exact same thing, just picture it two different ways. So, let's play with the table just a little bit more. Ready? I'm going to give you guys two examples, and I want you to try on your own, and I'm going to have you in just about a minute or so, or 2 minutes, group up in your groups and see if the answers agree. I'm going to be walking around trying to answer questions. Can you try to use the table, specifically the table, to multiply? Ready, set, go. Make tables. What size? Ready, set, go. Make tables.
2 by 2.
No, you want to just a second. You'll collaborate with the group. Yeah, good. 2 by 2s. Both of them, right? Okay, make 2 by 2s.
Yes.
Yeah.
Fill in the over, fill in the down.
Remember the...
Inside each of the boxes, multiply.
Yeah. What? Pile? Just like the Punnett squares? Yeah, just like that. Every single time.
It's super similar to a Punnett square, right?
Yeah.
So if you know how to do the Punnett square, it's like, oh, okay. 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. Multiplying, fill it in. Now once you have each of the boxes filled in, then you need to take each of the pieces and add them all together off to the side, combining any like terms if possible. Now the nice thing is, if you guys are doing the table method, can I do a dual screen just to go back to the last page for a sec? You see how these two ended up combining? There is a little shortcut if you get really good at them, where as long as these two are like terms, he had a 10x and he had a negative 3x, you could almost, as you go to write down the answer, you might be able to do some mental math there. But after setting up the table and getting each of your pieces, then you can say, hey, 10 minus 3 is 7. There is a little bit of mental math you could do. But what I did is I took each and every box and I just said 2x squared plus 10x plus negative 3x or minus 3x plus negative 15 or minus 15. Then I just had to combine. I had like terms, brought them into one, and I had my final answer. So then coming back. I saw a lot of you guys almost done with the first one. A few of you guys are still trying on the first one. Let's see if I can get it back. Sorry, you guys have to suffer technology being kind of dumb sometimes. All right, ready, set, turn in your groups. What have you done so far? Did you guys make the exact same tables? Someone doesn't even have to be like super vocal. You just look at their notebooks. You have them show you in the notebook. See if the tables match.
So like, well, I got like, oh, trying to find p, like p times number p, okay, negative 5p, right? 8 plus 5p, minus, yeah, but she said you have to find the whole number, okay, negative 24 times
2 to the power of
there's
the
2p,
absolute value.
and the second one over here is 9r, and then 2r squared, and then 5. So 2r squared times, I mean, minus, straight.
We have an issue.
So that next one's negative 2p.
Yeah, negative 11r plus 5.
No question.
I'm coming, honey.
Oh, my back.
I might take all my scores for the one.
No, you still like it.
I need it for
With multiplication, you have to
Yeah, we.
write them out though. Oh, you can't pass it, then it's fine. I'm gonna write it up real fast. 2 by 2s, right? I'm gonna ask the question in a second. I'm gonna ask the question in just a second. How many people wrote it out, filled it in just like this?
Yes.
P, 3, P, negative 8. How many people did just like that? Okay. Did anybody do it the other way then?
I think I did.
So the question is whether or not it's going to be the same answer, because a few of you are like, mine doesn't look like, or in this one. Do you see how I did it differently? I put the first here on the first one, then I put the first here. For the purpose of one of mine does not look exactly like yours. But it should just be the flip. Let's see if it works out right. So what we're in this box, guys, P times P is P squared, the power of 2, right? P times 3P squared. This box. P times negative 8, which we always put the number in the front, right? Can I do negative 8P? Is that okay?
Yes.
What's this box, Adrian?
3P.
Perfect. What's this box, Melanie?
Negative 24.
Got it. Jonathan, what do we do next?
We put it like P2
Yeah.
minus 8P
Got it.
plus 3P minus 24.
Got it. And if you guys want, you could do little like plus negative 8. That's okay. It's not bad. Plus, like we could just think plus, 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 plus. We could do like plus a negative 24. That's okay.
Yeah.
But either way, don't these combine?
Negative 5P.
Yeah.
5P.
Yeah, I got it right.
If you got it right, give someone a high five. It doesn't even matter who. Just give someone a high five. You got it right. Meanwhile, I'm plugging in the next one, and we'll see if you guys agree. 2r squared minus 10r minus r plus 5. No matter what order you do it. Pause, careful, the next one. Did you get the negative 11?
Yes.
2r squared minus 11r plus 5. Careful. If you didn't get the negative 11, you might have made a mistake, so maybe you should start writing the minuses as plus negatives. Maybe then you would remember negative 10 plus negative 1 is negative 11. Negative 10 plus negative 1 is negative 11. You got that one right. Give another high five. Someone new.
Yeah, I got it right.
Someone new. Someone new. Oh, that was the same high five. Okay. So here's the dealio, guys. it with me. Okay? You don't even have to do it with me, but I'm going to go ahead and show, because this is the table method. That's what you all just practiced, but there was another method, right? I don't know. Which one do you guys think was harder? Was there like a harder one rather than?
No.
No? Okay. Then let's just go ahead and why not? The last one that we did, number 4. Can I show this without the table? One more time. Well, hold on. Actually, let me put up what we're doing whenever we do FOIL. Because there's actually a little method of what we're doing. When I do the distributive method and I use my shortcut of over, under, over, what I'm doing is avoiding writing the table, avoiding writing the Punnett square. So if you want to know what I'm doing, I'm technically FOIL. I'm technically doing first, outer, inner, last. Except I do it in a way that I don't have to write it 4 different times with 4 different colors. That gets annoying, and the arrows all start coinciding, and bleh. So, a table is good for this problem. But distribution could have worked too. And distribution with FOIL just makes the shortcut. First times first. R times 2R is 2R squared. That's doing my first. I'll zoom in on this page in just a second. Over, under. Would that be a positive 1R or negative 1R? Oh, we already know it's negative 1R. In a table, it's super clear to see. When you're trying to do the shortcut, it's harder to see. But if you see that little minus, you're like, oh, that's adding a negative. Got it. Negative 1 times R is negative 1. Over, under. Okay. That minus is adding a negative. Negative 5 and 2 is negative 10R. Over. Negative times a negative is a positive. And you get the exact same answer. So the question is, do you like the table? Does it make sense? If so, use the table. FOILing just lets you kind of have the problem written and do all the work here instead of having to make a table, but there are way more places you can make a mistake. So let me zoom in on that FOIL, because some of you guys are hearing me say FOIL, but it might not be making near as much sense as if you were to see the words. So what does FOIL say? Whenever you have a binomial times a binomial. This is the sad part. It's the only time FOILing, FOIL, 4 multiplications are enough. We're going to see one more hard problem. Because we have to figure out what to do with those 2 by 3s or those 3 by 2s. What happens if we get bigger than a binomial? But for a binomial times a binomial, we can say there's a shortcut to the table, but it's just a dangerous shortcut. Where we can do the first times the first. We can do the outer times the outer. Always put that number in front. The inner times the inner. Always put that number in front. The last times the last. And if we put all those pieces together like we do with the table, we can have a problem like this and say, you know what? I don't need a table as long as I do my over, under, over. And I can get my x squared plus 2x. Our shortcut's good? Yeah. Is speeding up good? Yeah. But only if you know how to do it right. If you're speeding up and you can't do it right, well then you're just getting it wrong faster. Oh, that's not good. You're feeling good about it. Well, that's even worse. So in homework tonight, when it says to use the FOIL method, some of you have not used the table method yet. I need you to at least play around with the table method for a few problems because I want you to find what's better for you. Is the first, outer, inner, last? Is the distribution arrows, are those better for you? Because you don't have to draw a table? Or is that confusing to you and a table just keeps it nice and neat and organized? And you're like, I'll just do that. So tomorrow, at the beginning of class, I'm going to ask what's better for you. And in homework, hopefully you figured it out. Because remember, in homework. Oh, wait, we still have to, don't worry, we have time. But in homework, before this nasty section, you're supposed to have practiced from last night, but some of you didn't realize it. You were supposed to practice the FOILing or the distributing. You were supposed to practice the table, and then technically there is the shortcut, the FOIL shortcut. So if you guys haven't practiced the table yet, do that in tonight's homework, at least for half of them. You can do like half table, you can do half FOILing. Tomorrow, I just want to see work that you're practicing with both and trying to figure it out. So if you did all of these one way, or maybe you didn't even show your work on these, then tonight, split it up. Half of them try the table, half of them try the toilet. And at the end of that, just ask yourself, which one do I like better? Which one am I getting right better? Uh-oh. Hold on. If we do it that way, we might not be able to check these even ones. Maybe we should do the first half. Here we go. The first half and then the second half. We'll go sideways. But guys, what on earth is in this section? Let me do a homework problem for you. You ready? Number 35. I'll start you off because I gave you this whole section. We need to figure out together what we do. Now, maybe a shortcut on a hard one is not a good idea. So let's use the table method. You guys already told me what size table to make. What size table should I make for this one? A 2 by 3? Got him. So if it's a 2 by 3, then don't I have, right? So what goes on my 2? X and 4. Good for my x plus 4. Everest, you got it? 2 by 3. This one's a little bit harder. My x and my 4. Okay, what goes the sideways way? Jeremy, what am I going to put up here? Because here's my 2. And now I have 3. It's okay, Trey, help him out. X, careful, square, but yeah. Yeah. So then, Jeremy, hold on, what goes next? Yeah. Finish it off. 3x, and then what goes next? See it? Okay, so we have our 2 and we have our 3. We have our binomial and our trinomial. What do we fill inside the box? Multiply. Ready, set, you guys. Come on, get ahead of me. When I start playing, then you can't even see whether or not you get it. So you fill in the boxes, and then we'll check it all together in a sec. Fill it in. Take your time and fill it in. What would they each be? If you want to really show off, take each of those fill-ins, write them all out, and add them there as you finish. Really trying to show you. Oh, we have a table. You guys be wasting paper like that, you silly goose. Exactly what we're writing. I said a question, it was, what do we do with x times x squared? We haven't done that yet. Well, hold on. Wouldn't that be an x and an x and an x? And wouldn't that be x to the power of 3? How about that? Oh, well, x times 3x, isn't that going to be 3x to the power of 2? So we have x cubed, x times x times x. We have 3xx is 3x squared. What's this next one? You got it? Got it. What's this one?
4x to the power of 2.
What's that one? 12x. What's that one?
8.
So we would write it all out and say, okay, we got this guy, and that guy, and that guy, and that guy, and that guy. We have a lot of stuff, but did the pattern really change? No, we just needed 3 columns for our trinomial instead. No big deal. You could have actually done a 3 by 2 also and still had the same information. Those of you that are kind of writing it a different order, as long as you have a 3 by 2 or a 2 by 3 and you fill it in correctly, it's not going to make a difference. Wait, I'm not done yet though, right? Do I have squares in common terms? So then that's going to, well, he doesn't have anybody in common, so just rewrite him. And then did you guys get 7x squared?
Yeah.
and 14x and 8. Whew, table people. Is this making sense? My foiling people, you're like, ugh, I don't want to make a table every time. Now, to be honest, why not make a table and get it right every time? Hey, I like getting it right every time. But just in case you're like, how would you do this if it wasn't with the table? It's not going to be FOIL, because FOIL is first, outer, inner, last. Only 4 boxes, only 4 multiplying. We need more than that, but okay, ready? It's still the same procedure. We could go over, under, wait. But we're not done yet, are we? Because he has to go to everybody. Oh. So maybe the over, under, over thing doesn't really simplify things a lot. So instead, maybe it would be better for us to go ahead and just say, all right, forget it, old school. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We would end up with exactly what you guys might not see me totally finish it before the bell rings, but if you look at your boxes over to the side, we should be getting actually our exact same boxes of, oh, hey, there, oh, hey, there, oh, hey, there. Tonight, what are you supposed to be practicing? Tables and foiling or distributing and seeing which one's better. Bye. Tables or distributing, which one's better? Bye.
Good, dude. Is that course?
Oh, of course you can. No way.
Good job.